The Philippines is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world. These animals exist in only one place on Earth, the Philippines. First is the Philippine tarsier, one of the smallest primates in the world, known for its huge eyes and ability to rotate its head almost 180 degrees. Next is the Philippine eagle, one of the largest and most powerful eagles on the planet, often called the king of the Philippine forest. And finally, the tamaral, a rare wild buffalo found only on the island of Mindoro. Fun fact, the Philippines is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world, with many animals found nowhere else. Follow for more amazing animals from around the world.